Hello, I thought today I'd talk to you about some of our Valentine's Day resources, seeing as Valentine's Day is just around the corner. The first resource I've chosen to show you is this really simple but effective craft activity. This sheet here comes in a range of colours, so I've just printed out the pink one and the blue one, as you can see. This is so easy to do and perfect for children to get involved and send this to parents, grandparents, cousins, aunties, uncles, whoever they want. You can also add your own embellishments to it, and you could colour it in yourself, as you can see I've done here. And here's one that I made earlier. Really simple and really effective to do, but a lovely little gift as well. The second resource that I've chosen is one of our many reading resources, and this one here is all about St Valentine. We've got many reading resources and they all give lots of information, many are differentiated, and they come with questions and the answers. This is really informative and really useful for teaching children about who St Valentine actually was. The third resource is one of our many assembly packs. As you can see down this side, this is the PowerPoint presentation, and here is the script. Obviously the PowerPoint presentation is in colour, but I've just printed these out in black and white. The script could easily be divided into sections to give children a part to read out so they can get involved in assembly, or it can be used by yourselves and to save you time with planning and preparation. Happy Valentine!